In this video, I'm going to show you how to unblock Tabby Card. So you actually have two ways of doing this. Now the first way is, in case you are blocked because you have overdue bills, first pay these to unblock your card. And when you pay your overdue bills, if your card is still blocked, what you can do, and for all the other reasons as well, you can contact them for help. Now the way you do this, you want to go to the website, which is tabby.ai, and then you want to scroll to the very bottom over here where it says contact under about. Click on that. And then over here, click on support, which is the last option. Now, once you do this, over here, it's going to say contact us. You want to click on that. And then over here, you want to click on contact Tabby. Now, once you do this over here, it's going to say that the best way to contact them is by selecting the chat option within the app, and also this one is going to be the quickest. However, if for some reason you do not want to do that or do not have the access to that, you can also contact them via this email, so it's going to be help@tabby.ai, or if you have a complaint, you can click over here, but that's likely not going to be necessary. And you can also reach to them via this phone numbers over here, so one of these over here. You can call them in case you are in any of these countries, and then they will help you out with your blocked card. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.